Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel R Square Pathshala. My name is Ravi Sani. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about geographical features of India. We had learnt about Himalayas, Great Plains, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, then Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, and then islands. So in this video, we will be discussing about climate and vegetation and wildlife of India. Let's start. You read in newspaper daily and watch on TV or hears others talking about weather. You must know that weather is about day to day change in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, sunshine, etc. For example, as such, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days whether you feel cold without woolen clothes when it is very windy and chilly. You would like to have something hot or eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, which is also called winter season from December to February, then hot weather season or summer season from March to May, then southwest monsoon season or rainy season from June to September, then season of retreating monsoon from October to November. So now we'll discuss each season one by one. First, cold weather season or winter. So during the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. Now, hot weather season or summer. In hot weather season, sun rays more or less indirectly fall in this region because the sun is directly above the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Cancer uh, passes from India, which divides India almost into two parts. So temperature becomes very high, hot and dry winds, cold loo blow during the day. During winter, sun is on the Tropic of Capricorn, so there is slant rays on the northern hemisphere. Okay. Then southwest monsoon season or rainy season. The season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountains barriers, rainfall occurs. The last, season of retreating monsoon. So wind moves back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. However, climate is about average weather condition which have been measured over many years. Now, here are two terms. One is weather and other is climate. So we need to differentiate between these two terms. So weather is a short-term short-term phenomena, and climate is average weather over a period of time, long-term phenomena. Weather may vary from day to day or from even vary during the day, but climate is generally the average weather conditions over a period of time. So climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mosim, which means seasons. Due to India's location in tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoons means adequate rain and bountiful crop. Now, if monsoons are weak, then our crops will be affected. The level of water in the well will go down, and the summer will be longer because we will not be having relief from the summer because of weak monsoon. Now, the southwest in the southwest monsoon season, what happens is, let me explain you briefly. So in case of southwest monsoon, so this is a peninsular India, okay. Wind blows like this in these directions, okay. So up to a certain range the wind blows. Then in the season, wind blows from ocean to the land surface. In case of season of retreating monsoon, reverse happens. Wind blows like this, okay. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in the Ladakh are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Calcutta experiences moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Maheshwaram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, while in a particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So we have regional differences in the climate of India. On one side we have Jaisalmer and Bikaner where there is a desert which is very hot. On the other side we have places like Dras and Kargil in Ladakh where it is freezing cold. We have coastal plains where climate is moderate, which is neither too hot neither too cold, but these places are very humid. Similarly, there is a place in Meghalaya where we receive world's highest rainfall. At the same time, we might not receive rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Clear? Then natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with grass, green grass. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants. Besides, there are many tall trees which is shown in the figure up to 50-60 meter height. Okay, tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, or some which stand with few leaves such as palm. The grasses, shrubs, trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. The vegetation which grew by their own without interference from human beings are called natural vegetation. So different types of natural vegetation are dependent on different climatic conditions. among which the amount of rainfall is very important. So vegetation depend upon the climatic conditions, and ultimately rainfall is very important component. So due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. As we have seen, we have regional differences in the climate of India. So due to this, we have varied climatic conditions in India. So why are forests necessary? So because forests are very useful for us because they perform various functions. Plant releases oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide, reduces pollution. The roots of the plants bind the soil. They control the soil erosion. Forests provide us with the timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, honey, gum, etc. So forests are natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like One Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. So this picture 8.2 shows the functions of forest. It provides us timber, it provides us rubber, it's a natural habitat of wildlife, it provides us gum, lac, fruits, honey, oxygen, medicine, shelter, fodder, fuel, sports goods and furniture. There are so many benefits of the forest. Then let us talk about wildlife. So as we have studied, forests are the natural habitat for wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, worms which dwell in the forest. Tiger is a national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros roam in the forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and Run of Kutch respectively. Camels in the Great Indian Desert and wild ass in the Run of Kutch. Apart from this, wild goats, snow leopard, bears are found in the Himalayan region. Besides these, many other animals are found in the country such as monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, cheetal. Okay. So India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is a national bird. Other common birds are parrots, pigeon, myna, geese, bulbul, ducks. There are several birds sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. These provides the birds protection from hunters. There are several hundreds of species of snakes found in India. Cobra and krait are important among them. Due to cutting of forest and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Many species have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. You can also contribute in conserving wildlife. You can refuse to buy things made from the parts of the bodies of animals such as their bones, horns, fur, skins and feathers. Every year, we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving the habitats of the animal kingdom. So this is the newspaper cutting which shows the animal poaching cases or animals in distress. Then migratory birds which migrate from one place to another in a particular season. So some birds such as pintail duck, curlews, flamingos, osprey and little stint migrate to our country in winter season every year. Smallest migratory bird, little stint weighing as low as 15 gram, from Arctic region travel over 8,000 kilometers to reach India. So this was all in this chapter, and with this chapter we have completed our 6th class NCRT book, The Earth, Our Habitat. I hope you have liked, or I hope you like the lectures. If you have any question, please post me in the comment section. I will try to revert as soon as possible. So in the next series of lecture, we'll be starting with another book of 6th class. So see you in the next series of lectures. Thank you very much.